For most people, building a home is the biggest financial decision they'll ever make. But it's also one of the most confusing, especially if it's your first time. Most clients don't know what questions to ask until it's too late. That's why we built Marvel Homes, to remove the guesswork before construction starts. Most people end up going down one of two paths. Path one, the architect. They get beautiful drawings, they fall in love with the design, but real construction costs aren't tested properly upfront. So months later, they find out the home they designed isn't the home they can comfortably afford. Path two, the project home. It feels cheaper at the start, but flexibility is limited, variations are expensive, and once you're locked in, control drops away. In both cases, the risk shows up late when it's hardest to fix and most expensive. Marvel Homes was created as an alternative to both paths. This isn't a builder offering design, it's a building method. We call it the Marvel 360 Home Method. Instead of treating design, cost, engineering, and construction as separate steps, we resolve them together from day one. One team, one conversation, one clear direction from the start. Our in-house architect, designer, and cost team work alongside construction to make sure what's designed is beautiful, buildable, and affordable. So what does that actually mean for you? During the design and tender phase, we produce a full documented plan for your home. That includes architectural drawings, engineering considerations, interior selections, 3D renders of your finished home, and a clear line-by-line specification breakdown. All brought together in a detailed tender package, typically over 70 pages, because clarity lives in the detail. And at the end of this process, you're not guessing, you're deciding. This process often saves clients money because we identify risks early. Things like site works, engineering requirements, or hydraulics that can add $40,000 to $80,000 if discovered later. It prevents redesigns, variation shock, and committing to a home that doesn't fit your budget. The goal isn't cheaper building, it's clearer decisions made earlier. This process is right for you if you want cost certainty, design control, and complete clarity from day one. If you want to be involved but not manage multiple consultants. And if you're serious about building and want to do it once properly.